Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Jan's Art. Welcome back to my channel. I'm working on a 40 by 40 centimeter canvas. This first paint is a Creative Inspirations Titanium White. Second one is Golden Acrylics Quinacridone Nickel Laser Gold. The third one is a TLP Rad. I only have that in the bag, that's why I'm showing you a different container. Then there's a Pebeo Studios Iridescent Green Yellow. And the last but not least, the Modern Masters Venezian Blue. Thank you very much, Taniva. You sent that to me, I think, almost 2 years ago now. So I am doing a hide and reveal painting in honor of Valentine's Day. So this is supposed to resemble a heart, but a little, I guess, artistic heart. I will actually, at the end of this, when I've done this one, there will be a second painting with a smaller canvas where I'm also doing a hide and reveal and another heart. That was my first one, but the reason why I'm putting both into this video is that sadly for the second one I forgot to press record when I started swiping, so you won't see me actually swiping the second one, but you will see the spinning and the end result. So do stick around for that. Yeah, if you will, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and do leave comments. I will respond to all of them. If you have any questions, anything, don't hesitate to ask me. I decided to put the top layer, this Venetian blue from Modern Masters, all over the pillow paint, because I wanted it to spread out fully on the canvas. I did not want any of the white to be part of the base coat, if you will. So yeah, just zooming in and doing the swiping with, as I put here, the cell activator is Amsterdam Oxide Black and a little titanium white, mixed 1 part paint and 3 parts Australian Floetrol. Not much more to say. I will be playing some music for you, and I hope that you enjoy this. Do stick around till the end, where you'll see the end results of both of the paintings. Thank you again for coming here, and I'll see you soon. And happy Valentine's Day, of course. This is being released on Valentine's Day. Have a great day. Bye.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love, so just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby.